But here today I'm to talk to you about car insurance in Columbus, Ohio. Hi, this is Jon Pantone with an agency, and we're here to answer some questions for you in regards to some of the commonly things our clients ask us. One is obviously, how do you get the lowest rates? Well, there's so many options and available to you to be able to do that. One is going to be, do you bundle your insurance together? Depending on where you live, it is rated by zip codes. So certain zip codes have lower claims ratios than others. What type of vehicles are you driving? Do you have a $90,000 vehicle or are you driving a $5,000 vehicle? It's going to make a big difference. What type of coverages you're carrying. Some people like just liability only, which is just protecting the other person so they don't get sued. Some people want some additional protection if the vehicle gets wrecked by them or somebody else that has no insurance, or is a lost or stolen vehicle, vandalism, catalytic converters being cut off, tires and rims being stolen, somebody breaking out the windows. Those types of coverages can also influence what you're going to pay per month for your auto insurance. Do you have multiple drivers? Are you just a single auto? Do you have a couple of automobiles? Do you have young drivers? Do you have any speeding tickets, reckless ops, DUIs? Those are all big factors in what you're going to pay for auto insurance. How you pay your insurance. Are you going to pay it monthly on an automatic payment? There's additional discounts. You're going to pay it in full for 6 months. You can save even more by giving your insurance company the money up front. Are you bundling it with your homeowners? Could be another big discount that insurance companies do. If not, at least with your renter's insurance. A lot of those are the biggest factors in regards to how you're going to rate you on your insurance for your auto. Also, they're also going to look at like an insurance score. So do you have your insurance score set up? Do you have a history of having insurance? What is your credit like? Do you have high credit balances? Do you have collections? Do you have bankruptcies? Those can also be a factor in your insurance rates as well. Prior claims, number of accidents, that's all going to be looked at. So there's a lot of things they look at as a whole to generate a rate. And unfortunately, the insurance agents can't control any of what the rating factors is for the companies. The only thing we can do is help you get the best coverage that you need to protect you in the event of a lawsuit, or to get your vehicle fixed. And then to make sure you get all the discounts that you can qualify for or that you're able to use, and then how the program works. We also offer a mile-wise, which is pay-as-you-go insurance. You pay a daily rate, and then you pay per mileage used. It's relatively inexpensive. It can be from like 2 to 12 cents a mile. So if you're at home, working from home, if you're retired, if you're a homemaker or unemployed, that might be the best option for you. If you don't have to go out and drive too much, then you'll be able to save some money that way. So there's just a lot of options, and that's why you need to ask and get a local insurance agent if you're in the Columbus, Ohio area or surrounding Central Ohio, because we're here to best. We know the situations, we know the neighborhoods, and then we also know, we're going to be able to help you out. We're local. Instead of being a call center, which you may get a different person, they may not give you all the same advice. They could be in another state and they're not sure how the state laws work. As we are here, we just focus in the state of Ohio. So reach out to your local insurance agent. If you don't have one, we'd be more than happy to help you out. If you do have one, give them a call. Ask them those questions. You can do it with us. You can contact us by email, text message, or phone, or you can come in person, which most people don't do anymore. But we're glad to do any of those to be able to help you out and answer those questions that you may have. We also have a mobile app that you're going to be able to see all your policies, get your ID cards. So all that information will be available to you readily. And then I would like to say at the end, it's just, pay your bills on time, be as safe as a driver as you can. If you're ever involved in an automobile accident, make sure you get a copy of the license plate of the other vehicle in case they decide to run. Make sure you try to collect the insurance information from the other party. Sometimes it doesn't mean they still have insurance because they may not have paid the bill and the policy may have been lapsed. You don't know. And then let your local insurance agent know this so they can get that information and get it sent over to you. And get that claim filed and get you back on the road, or get a rental car, depending on what type of coverages that you carry. So at the end of the day, I mean, you need to look out for yourself. That's what insurance is for. So you can't guarantee that somebody else driving on the road has any insurance. You need to protect yourself. And then the event that you may cause the accident, you want to make sure you don't get sued, because they can't come after your assets, which could be your home, a boat, your income. They can garnish wages, come after retirement accounts, anything like that, if you don't carry enough insurance and you cause enough harm to somebody else. So please, that's the most important thing about insurance. It's not the most pleasing thing in the world, but I'll tell you, for the people that have had to use it are very grateful that they had it when the time came. So if you have any other questions or anything else, you can always reach us here at the local agency. The information will be listed below. We're able here to help you out 5 days a week. If not, you can always leave us a message and we'll get back to you. Take care, be safe out there.